Welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me iPhone 15, and now I can show you how to move music from your Windows or Mac device to your iPhone. So firstly, you just need to download the music you wanna move to the iPhone on your PC or record the music. I have downloaded the copyright music that I can't find in Apple Music or in Spotify, and I have it on the desktop. Yeah. And what we need to do? Firstly, we need to move this music to our iTunes. So move it to the iTunes. In the iTunes here, wait a while. Here you have the library, as you can see, and here you will see the blue square in the library. So you just need to drag your music to this library square, and then you will see your music here in library in songs. And now let's open the music application. Oh my gosh, what I have with my keyboard. You need to open music on your iPhone, and let's open the library. As you can see, I have nothing here, and now we just need to connect our iPhone to our PC. Here we will see, click continue on the iPhone, click trust, of course, confirm your password. And here you will see your iPhone, but I have no it here. Tell me why. Let's try to reconnect. Maybe because of beautiful cable. Set up as new iPhone, continue, get started. Oh, okay, cool. And now here, as you can see, we have on my device library. And what we need to do, we need to open our normal library, music. Okay, so find here music, songs, and here find the music you wanna move, find the or albums if you want. You wanna move to your iPhone and just drag it to your iPhone and release the left key of your mouse. And cool, as you can see here on my iPhone, I have cheerful electronic music. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.